Today I had a special request for curry goat. So I'm going to do a quick video to show you how I make curry goat. And I'm doing this video because the person that asked me to make the curry goat is my son. And I figured I'd make a video because if I'm not around, he'll have reference on how to make his own curry goat. So stay tuned. This meat seasoned with curry powder, some onion powder, black pepper, the curry, and what else did I put in there? Curry powder, black pepper, onion powder, garlic, and thyme, and some, so first we're gonna heat the pot. We're gonna add some oil. I always use olive oil for my food, so we're gonna add a little olive oil. And we're gonna sear the goat in the olive oil. As you can see, my pot is super hot. It's super hot. It's too hot, so I'm gonna remove it from the fire. Gonna add in the goat. So we're gonna add in the goat. Here we go. To sear. So the fire is high. I put it on the highest setting. And we're just gonna sear the goat to lock in the flavors. Hear that? That's what you should hear when you put the goat in there. It should be sizzling. Very high flames. And the goat has been added, y'all. So I'm going to give this a stir. Let it cook on the high flame. It's basically just searing. So I'll bring you closer, let you see it's searing in the hot flame. While that's searing, I got my blender cup. I have some chopped up onions and what we call in my culture shallot, and that's onion, but people call that green onion as well. So I'm gonna put some of this in the blender cup and blend it really well. That's about enough. Because the rest I'm going to put in the pot whole. So put that off to the side and stir your meat so that it doesn't burn. Hit it searing, it's searing on a high heat. Just keep turning it to sear the meat. Now to this mixture, here I'm gonna add a little garlic. Garlic here in the jar. You can also add garlic that you cut up yourself, but this is the easy way to add a little garlic. That's a lot of garlic, but I like garlic. Oh, y'all can't see the cup, I'm sorry. So you see I add some garlic in there. Okay, so we're gonna add the top to this. Just gonna blend it a little bit in the blender. But don't forget to keep your meat stirred. Hi guys. Somebody saying hi to y'all again. She's the cook of the family. I don't know why I'm doing this. She ain't want to do it. You what? Once you blend it, the consistency should look like very liquidy. Okay, so we're gonna turn the fire down a little. We're gonna pour all of this into the mixture. Pouring it into the mixture. I forgot to mention, I did it off camera, but I forgot to mention the goat was cleaned and seasoned. The way you clean the goat is you cut the fat off of it and you soak it in vinegar and you rub it with lime or lemon. It's very important to clean the goat because goat, if it's not cleaned properly, it has a very rank smell that you can smell it when you're eating it, and you don't want that. I'll be back. So after you add the mixture to the pot, it should look like this. You give it a good stir. Okay? So that mixture is in there and we're just giving it a good stir. It smells awesome, guys. It smells awesome. So I like to make sure the seasoning is in there. That's why I blend up some seasoning first and I put it in. And then we're gonna add some water to this because the goat needs to cook. So I'm going to get some water. Okay, so I use bottled water. Just gonna pour it in to cover the goat completely. So you hold on to this seasoning until the goat is more cooked. So I put a whole entire bottle of water in there and we're gonna stir. just to make sure everything is good and covered. We're gonna close the pot up and we're gonna let that cook. So we're gonna put it, we're not gonna put it on a low heat right now. We're gonna put it like medium flames. So we're gonna cover it and we're gonna come back. So is cooking. We're adding in 1 hot habanero pepper. Usually a Scotch bonnet, but they didn't have any Scotch bonnet, so we're gonna use the habanero pepper. Give it a good stir again. I just washed my lid for my pot. And we're gonna cover it and we'll be back, guys. So I just wanted to show you, this is what thyme looks like. This is the habanero peppers. They're hot. And this is what we call shallot, a green onion, just to let you know, okay? Now that the goat is cooked, we went ahead and add in the rest of the vegetables. And then we're gonna cut up a potato to let it cook inside, maybe 2 potatoes. Adding in a little bit, tad bit. Into the goat. I'm gonna go peel the potatoes. We have 2 large potatoes that are washed and peeled. I'm gonna add those to the pot and just let it cook. Once the potatoes are done cooking, the curry goat is done. Wash this off because it fell. Move, Jay. Add in a little more water, just a little to steam the potatoes. Little water to steam the potatoes. A little more water. Let the potatoes steam down and we are done. There you have it, guys. Your hot curry goat and rice and peas. Curry goat and rice and peas. There you have it. All done.